I don't know about you, but if I saw someone with this hairstyle, I wouldn't even second guess or look even close enough to see if there's a lace on their scalp, because I would automatically just assume that it was their hair. That is how hyper realistic this wig looks. I love the fact that it is a closure wig, but you can wear it in so many different hairstyles. As you just saw, we are finally in summer. Sometimes we want to switch it up. Sometimes we don't want to have the long hair stuck to our necks, stuck to our backs when we're sweating. Sometimes we want to have short hair. And this wig will fool even the toughest of critics. It looks like my scalp. Like, if you saw me outside, would you have thought that this was my hair? Let me know in the comments. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐻𝐵. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from OMG Her Hair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links in the description box. The wig that I received is in the style number DLW09. The length is 12 inches, and this is a bob. The density is 180%. The hair texture is Yaki, and this is a 9x6 HD lace closure wig. This wig has 4C natural kinky edges for a hyper-realistic look, but it is also available without the kinky edges as well. Beyond the kinky edges, the hairline is pre-plucked and it blends flawlessly with the density of the rest of the hair. The knots have been deep bleached, and the cap construction is a 3D dome cap, which features 3 removable wig combs, a drawstring, an anti-slip band that helps with keeping the wig in place when wearing high buns and ponytails. There is a C-curved ear design that contours around your ears so that the wig can be worn long-term without any discomfort. The lace on this wig comes pre-cut. And you will notice that the HD lace closure will have 2 pleats, and the pleats are absolutely essential for ensuring that the lace does not ripple or buckle once the wig is installed. So the lace will be distortion free and is dome shaped for a flatter appearance. The drawstring is easy to use. You just tighten it to your comfort level and then tuck it underneath the wig cap. The 3D dome cap is great for custom fitting various head sizes. Straight out of the package, the wig is pre-styled with a middle part. You get 6 inches of deep parting space from your forehead on back, so you can do deep side parts, or you can get creative with styling. This step is optional, but I am going to tint the lace. I'm grabbing 2 shades of lace tint. One is the color of my foundation, and I'm spraying that on the hairline portion of the underside of lace. The second is the color of my scalp, and I'm spraying that on the inner portion of the lace closure on the underside of lace. After doing 2 layers of each and blow drying the lace, it is now the perfect color match for my complexion. You can absolutely wear your kinky edges as is without any type of heat styling or altering it in any way. Some people do flat iron their kinky edges, but for me, I don't like to flat iron my kinky edges because I feel like that defeats the purpose of getting them. So I do like to blow mine out. And it looks a lot more natural that way. I just really like how it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, like my actual natural hair. So first, I'm going to apply a hair oil and then use my brush and blow dryer to relax the kinks just a little bit so that they fade into the rest of the hair instead of it being like a strong line of demarcation there where the kinky edges are and then the rest of the hair. I want it to be like a natural blend. Here is how the kinky edges look after being blow dried. And here is how it would look straight out of the package if you did nothing to it. Which do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Now it is time for styling. For styling, I'm just grabbing my flat iron and then flat ironing the hair with a light bump at the ends.
Ryan Little.
So for the front of the head, I am going to separate the kinky edges from the rest of the hair. I'm grabbing a hair wax stick. This one is from 𝐃𝐻𝐻. I'm going to apply the hair wax stick only to the rest of the hair, not to the kinky edges, because I want to make sure that I am not putting any extra heat on the kinky edges. And then I will be using my pressing comb to smooth that product through, just to get all of the hairs to go into the direction that I want them to go into, and also to make sure that everything is polished and smooth and sleek looking. So now I am grabbing a comb and I'm going to comb the kinky edges into the rest of the hair. And here is how the wig looks after being styled. Of course, you can do so many different hairstyles with this wig because this is a 10x6 lace closure wig and it does have that 3D dome cap drawstring. You are able to wear this wig completely glueless. So it's perfect for everyday wear. Holding the wig on its side, I'm grabbing Wonder Lace Bond and I'm going to spray a very thin layer to the very edge of the lace and then blow dry for a few seconds until that lace becomes sticky. Grabbing the wig, I'm going to place it on my forehead or over my head in its proper placement, making sure that all of the combs are lined up and the ear tabs are where they need to be. I'm going to use my fingertips to press that lace into my scalp or my skin. And then I am putting on my headscarf for about 10 minutes to allow everything to set. After removing my headscarf, I am going to adjust the drawstring in the back and just make sure that the fit is where I need it to be. As you can see, when you use adhesive, the kinky edges do sometimes plaster down onto the lace. So I'm just going to grab a baby hair brush and some water. I'm going to spray that water onto the baby hair brush, and then I'm just going to take my time and use that brush to release some of that adhesive that's stuck onto the lace. And I want to show you how the ear tabs contour around my ears. It's such a comfortable fit. So I did end up doing about 4 different hairstyles with this wig. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to this wig from OMG Her Hair in the description box. So check down below for more information. Let's chat everything this wig in the comment section. If you're new here, welcome. My name is 𝐆𝐥𝐿. Don't forget to send this link to a friend who may like this wig or add it to your cart if you're interested in it. And also give this video a huge thumbs up and comment before you leave. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's 𝐆𝐥𝐿𝐢𝐆𝐒. Yeah, that's right. It's 𝐆𝐥𝐿𝐢𝐆𝐒.